Casino को फेंक दो,
एक दो,
casino को फेंक दो,
हमका नका,
casino हमका नका, बाहेर मारा, हमका नका,
The Aam Aurat Admi against gambling are protesting that instead of stopping this gambling activity and casinos, as has been promised by the CM time and again, and as he has been like this with us for a morcha also condemning gambling. Now one more vessel has come in over there, the latest vessel, somebody who has invested millions of rupees, and he is no fool. He must have had some assurances from the government before this could be brought over here. And CM is silent on this. He said only a ship has come in. He knows this is a gambling ship. Everybody knows it is a gambling ship. He has to do his election promises. He has to throw out all gambling from Goa. He has promised that. That is not being done. So we are here to protest against that and remind him that तुवें जे सांगलां तें तुवें करपाचें 4 आनी 5 वर्सांनी करतलो म्हणून कितें गॅरंटी आसा 4-5 म्हयन्यान तुका करूंक येता. इफ यू रिमेंबर सिद्धार्थ गोवान येदी व्हडली सुप्रीम कोर्ट केस जालेली कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टर मेळून लॉ नवो काडलो आनी ते ताका वाचयले. तशेंच आतां हो जो लॉ आसा तो लॉ चेंज करून गॅम्बलिंग ॲक्ट ऑफ 1976 परतो हाडचो. आमच्या गोंयान गॅम्बलिंग नाका. बायलां रडटा घरा कडेन हे पयशे जे वयता पळय गॅम्बलिंगान ते घरा कडेन कशेंच पावना आनी गोंयकारांक अलावड ना म्हणटा. गोंयकार सगळे अलावड आसा. केन्नाय फोन मारा तुमी गॅम्बलिंग कजिनोचेर येयात रे म्हणटा काय भिवनाका कोणाक धाडयना म्हणून आमी. हो एक दीस प्रोटेस्ट आनी आमी ते वाडयतले. आतां ल्हव ल्हव आतां काँग्रेसानूय सांगलां की आमी तांकांय नाका जर काँग्रेसाकूय नाका आनी BJPकूय नाका 40 आमदार सांगात मरे आमकां गॅम्बलिंग नाका म्हणून आनी तो लॉ काडा आनी भायर उडयता सगळ्या गॅम्बलिंग. दे कॅन डू इट ओवरनायट. दे कॅन चेंज get the law back to 1976 law. Get it back to 1976. Let there be no gambling in Goa, just as there is no gambling all over India. Why are we made into the sin city of India? आमी कितें लास्ट वेगळच करूंक सोदताय. भायर मारत म्हणटा आमीच म्हणना सगळीं बायलां गोंयची म्हणटाच. कोणाक जाय गॅम्बलिंग म्हाका सांगा पळया. कोणाकूच नाका गॅम्बलिंग. हें कोण फुडें आयला की आमकां कजिनो गॅम्बलिंग जाय म्हणपाक कोणूच ना. मागीर कित्याक तुमकां जाय कित्याक तुमी हें मागता. आम्ही त्या खातीर आयज केला प्रोटेस्ट आनी आमी वाडयत वयतले. वील कीप रिमाइंडिंग द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ हिज प्रॉमिसेस फॉर द सेक ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ Goa.
4 years, there will be no gambling ships. Why wait for 4 years? Why not right now? Why within 4 months? We don't want any casinos in Goa. Our children are really suffering. If you go to the interior village, Bicholi te Sadimot Water, जाल्यार ती भुरगे रडटात सारके. सगळे पयशे खबर जावन भाटां विकल्यान सगळे विकल्यान नश्ट जाला.
आयज आमी हो धरना हांगा दवरला कजिनोचेर निशेध करपाक. तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की सरकारान आश्वासन दिल्लें की आमी कजिनोक परवानगी दिवचे ना. पूण हे मोठी बोट थंय जुगार खेळपाचेर सगळी सुविधा आसा ती बोट काडून हांगा मांडोवीन दवरला. आनी हाका सरकारान सांगला की परमिशन दिवचे ना. पूण आमच्या म्हायती प्रमाणे ताणें ट्रान्सफर लायसन्स अप्लाय केला आनी सरकार ते ट्रान्सफर लायसन्स पळयता हें. सो आमची आयज मागणी आसा की ही जी नवी शिप जी आयल्या ताका परवानगी दिवची न्ही. आनी आसा ते जे कजिनोज आसा ते सगळे दर्यांतल्यान भायर काडपाचे. 4 वर्सां आमकां रावपाचे पासेस ना. 4 म्हयन्यान ते ताणें काडपाचे. ही आयची आमची धरण्याची मागणी.
In place of that ship, they have replaced this one.
This is what the government is saying. The newspapers are reporting that they want to give the license which was given to Caravella to this new ship that is Horseshoe. Now this ship is much bigger, has many more gaming tables and many more facilities as compared to the old ship. So what are we trying to say? If we want to phase out casinos, why are we allowing the expansion of casinos in the Mandovi River? This is a question to the government.
That more and more are coming. What is the impact that the casinos are having on the city? The CCP, it's sad, does not have powers over the waters. This is what is told to them. The captain of ports gives permission, but the captain of ports doesn't see to the parking issue that is caused by the casinos being here. A bigger boat come means more parking problems. Every time consultants are appointed, these consultants say that we want to decongest the city of Panjim and take the traffic out of Panjim. Does the government not know this? They're bringing more casinos, means more parking in the city of Panjim. If the CCP does not have control or doesn't give license to boats in the water, what about the streets of Panjim that are full of these casino scooters, the staff that come, the people that come, the gamblers that come is clogging our city roads.